My husband worked in water purification for about 10 years. He's changing our filters in our RO system, so I'm going to show you our setup and the results after he changes out the filters. Okay, so this is the iSpring 5-stage RO water filter. This is our setup under our sink here in the kitchen. And over here on the right is the 5-stage filtration system, and we just changed out the bottom 3 filters, not the 2 on the top, but the bottom 3. Those are rated for 1 year, so it was time to change those out. And then over here on the left is the storage tank. So after the water is purified through the RO system, then it's stored over here in the storage tank. And then up here above in the sink, we have this 2 faucet combination. This faucet over here on the right is our tap water, and then the smaller one here on the left is where the RO water dispenses. And the storage tank is draining right now, so we can test the filtration, the quality of the filtered water to make sure everything is purifying correctly for us to drink. So what we've done already is the storage tank has already been flushed 3 times, right?
Yes.
And so now we want to test the water to make sure our TDS reading is acceptable, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we compare it to tap water so we can see what the, like how purified it is, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 1 glass, the first glass over here you filled with tap water.
Yeah.
And now this one you're filling with the RO water, right?
RO water, yeah.
So tap water on the left, RO water on the right.
And this here is a TDS measure. This measures the total dissolved solids in the water.
So particles of things in the water that shouldn't be there.
Correct. We're going to do the tap water first so we can get a good clear run of what that is.
Let's see.
It says 341 parts per million.
Okay.
Or 340, okay. Oh, 339, okay. So it's around 338 to 339, something like that. Okay, cool. All right. So we're gonna just shake that off.
Mm-hmm.
And so we're gonna have some residual on there, but so we're gonna see where our purified water is at now. And we're showing a TDS of 8.
Okay.
So that's a big jump.
Yeah, it's a big difference.
Mm-hmm.
So is that an acceptable reading?
That's an acceptable reading.
Okay.